Hi, my name is Sing Yu, but you can call me Tracy.
Hi, my name is Mei and you can call me Mei. And we are the designers for the new Swinburne mascot.
We knew we wanted an animal, so we looked into the Australian animals. Yeah, like koala, kangaroos,
Swans, black swans.
and yeah, so we came up with cockatoo.
At first we sketched the arm into like wings. It does look like penguin or chicken. But after that, we slowly start sketching on Procreate. That's how we finalize it.
So during the process, we walk around campus and we saw these like murals around Swinburne, got inspired from it. Like the space, direction, the astronaut, the robotics designs.
Technology.
Yeah, we just incorporate it to our design and give it a twist.
I like that we incorporate the medulla eyes to different expression because we don't want people to just to see the mascot itself to be just one emotion.
Yeah.
So then it brings the character to life.
Honestly, I think it's really amazing to see our design turn into something real. Yeah, I felt really good. You felt like this?
We were really proud of ourselves because
yeah, we were
who would have thought?
really happy, really excited. I hope Lays can connect with students and make them feel more welcome to campus.
And I want them to feel proud to be Swinburne students.